Hello, so this video is going to be a quick rundown of how all the different settings on the GTIL with limiter configuration screen work. Let's run down from the top. The LCD backlight, if you turn that off, which is a good idea so as not to wear out your screen, will stay off. If you leave it on, it'll stay on all the time. If you check the internal limiter box, it will use the CT clamp limiter. This is independent of any other settings that you have on this screen. The next thing is the battery or solar limited current mode, followed by the battery or solar limited power mode. These are just two ways of achieving the same thing. You can say, don't allow me to have more than, in this case, 17 amps coming in. It goes up to 30. Or you can say, limit the power to no more than, in this case, 800 watts. Obviously it can go up to whatever your GTIL limiter provides. In the case of the battery, for cutoff and reboot, in the example here you can see it is cutting off at 48 volts, and then when the battery reaches 49.5 volts it will reboot again and start generating. So how do these things work together? Well, let's suppose I enable the BAT or solar limited power mode and set it to 800 watts. If the internal limiter is enabled and the house load is 300 watts, then the inverter will generate 300 watts. If the house load is 1000 watts, the inverter will generate 800 watts. It works the same way for limited current mode. In this case, 17 amps at 51.2 volts is about 870 watts. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.